What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be learning plots of x and y in Matplotlib. So before you start this tutorial, you have to have Matplotlib and NumPy installed on your system. Then you can follow along with me. So first of all, let's run this here and see what comes out. What comes out is something like this, but let's explain what happens. After the imports, we have a plt.style.use, which is basically telling Matplotlib a particular style we want to use for our drawing, and then different kinds of this. We have MPL20 and others. So first of all, we have to generate data, and that is done by x equals to mp.linspace. And linspace gives us data from 0 to 10 and 100 values. So basically linspace gives us 100 values of 0 to 10. Then y is just a simple sine function that says 4 plus 2 sine 2x. Then we're plotting that. So plotting that on the graph, we have figure and axis as a return value of plt the subplots, because plt the subplots returns 2 outputs. Then we now have our axis, and our axis wants to now plot x and y and have a line width of 2, which is basically the width of our line. Then we're now setting the x limit, which is our limit on this bottom area, from 0 to 8. So basically it starts from here at 0 and comes to here at 8. Then x ticks basically our numbering. So we number it from 1 to 8 exclusively. That means that 8 is not included in our numbering. And our y limit also from 0 to 8, which is from 0 here up to 8. And our y ticks is a range of values from 1 to 8 exclusively, means that 8 is not included in our numbering. Then plt.show, and this is basically a plot of x against y in Matplotlib. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one.